Did you know that when you sneeze, you can launch a microscopic army of germs? 100,000 of them blasted out at 100 miles per hour. That's like a freaking cannon. These germs can travel 26 feet, which is like the length of a football field, and they can hang in the air for minutes before they land on surfaces, which means if you don't cover your mouth when you sneeze, you could be spreading germs everywhere. So do us all a favor. Cover up. Share this post so that other people know how to protect themselves. And follow for more wild health facts.